What's up, man?
How's it
going?
Man? How's it going?
The whole week's been crazy. I could use a break.
All I want to do is just take a long drive away from the city.
That's not a bad idea. I was thinking of that actually. What do you have in mind?
I mean, all I can think of is a good old bowl of Maggi and chai in Lonavala.
Sounds good. But let's make it interesting. I'll race you there.
That's actually not a bad idea. But how about we raise the stakes a little higher? Neither of us can pay any tolls along the way.
Okay, cool. Let's do this.
I know what I'm driving. What about you?
I think you have an idea. You'll find out tomorrow.
We shall.
I was the first to arrive, and as you'd expect, I'd done things properly. But surprisingly, so had Badar.
I knew you'd bring the Swift.
As if I'd pick anything else. It's got everything that made us fall in love with driving in the first place.
It sure does. That's why I've got one too. You ready?
Yep, time for some toll-free thrills.
Alright, I'll see you there. Alright, so now that we're alone, I can finally tell you a little bit more about my route. I'm being a little smart with this. I'm taking the ferry out of the city, which means I'll end up straight at Mandwa Jetty, from where I've charted out a route that doesn't involve any toll roads. Should be fun.
Of course, there's more to my route than just the ingenuity of my toll strategy.
The Swift has always been a car that's best enjoyed out on the open road. And by taking the ferry, I get to cut out all the boring bits of having to drive out of the city and begin driving straight on the open road. It's genius.
Still, I don't see Badar anywhere here, so obviously he's doing things differently. I wonder what he's up to.
Be it among enthusiasts or common folk, the Swift has always enjoyed a cult-like status. And the recent 3 million sales milestone is evidence of just that. However, what many people discount is the Swift's city-friendliness and comfort. In fact, that's exactly why I'm choosing this route. No MTHL or Washi Bridge, or even the Airoli Bridge today. I'm driving up through Thane, crossing the Kalwa Bridge, which doesn't have a toll, before taking the old Mumbai-Pune highway after bypassing the Panvel toll with the help of some clever B-roads. The Swift has always been known for being an all-rounder, and this route will help me experience it at its all-rounding best. Now let's see who gets to Lonavala first. I really hope I win.
The one thing I didn't plan for when choosing the ferry route was all the free time I'd have on my hands. Still, could be worse.
Well, I haven't seen Zaran ever since we left the office, so I don't know where he is or don't know what he's up to. However, I'm sure wherever he is, he isn't having to deal with this sort of traffic. I should have known this would happen. Mumbai and traffic is a tale as old as time itself. But anyway, this just means I have to spend more time in the Swift's cabin, which is no bad thing. And in this traffic, I'm also really enjoying the supreme control offered by the slick shifting 5-speed manual gearbox. Is that going to be the trick to winning this race? Time will tell.
Badar wasn't the only one taking control though. Now that my ferry journey was finished, I was back behind the wheel and back in control.
Now the Swift feels like it's on its home turf. It really springs to life out on the open road. And the new Z series engine really makes for a playful companion on a drive like this.
But some clever engineering means that it's covering against today's skyrocketing fuel prices too. It's just as efficient as it is fun.
Oh, look who's calling. Badar, how's it going? Where have you reached?
Just inching closer to our destination as we speak. You?
I'm pretty much on the home stretch now, and I don't see you anywhere around, so looks like I'm gonna win this one.
I like the optimism, but hold on to your horses. You know what they say, it ain't over till it's over.
I'll be waiting for you at the finish line.
We'll see about that.
Alright, let's go win this thing.
One of the best things about the Swift has always been how nimble it feels and the confidence it inspires behind the wheel. And up here on the Ghats, it feels right at home. Now I could go on and on about how the Swift feels right at home here in the Twisties, but it's much better if I just show you instead. And just like that, I'm almost at the finish line. But I'm not alone.
No way.
This is absolutely crazy.
You cheated, didn't you?
I was gonna ask you the same thing. What route did you take?
I used a hack. I took the ferry out of the city and then I drove here from the Mandwa jetty without using any toll roads.
That's actually pretty smart. I, for one, skipped all the toll bridges, took the Kalwa bridge out of Thane, and got here.
Wow, so two very different routes and yet almost the same time to get here.
Mega fun, wasn't it?
It sure was. So, chai and Maggi?
Yeah, let's go.
Man, that hit the spot.
I know, right?
You know what I'm thinking now though?
Race you back to the city?
You're on. Let's go.